go!
All right, kicking it off for the Auton portion of this match. Immediately, we've got bots firing on both sides. On the Red Alliance, we've got Dalton and Walton working on scoring together for the Red Alliance. And on the Blue Alliance side of the field, we've got Maris working on scoring during Auton. Both teams also have their human players shooting from their outposts. As we leave, Auton is going to be the Red Alliance with an advantage of 52 to Blue Alliance's 27. They are going to have a quick half cycle here to score. Walton's going to race over to their zone, and they are going to be able to take advantage of it, getting a decent amount of fuel into that hub there. Not able to quite get a full cycle, but about 80%. They're going to leave that section with 79 points, and now it is up to Blue Alliance to give them an answer. Maris Banner Rays are going to look to collect some fuel cells from inside their zone. And Robo Knights are going to work on bringing some more fuel cells over to them as they shoot into their hub. Looking over at the Red Alliance, this is now their turn to score. We had a little bit of an early fire from Walton, but they are now working on using the full extent of their loaded fuel to shoot into their hub. They've now crossed the 120-point threshold needed for that first energized ranking point. Let's see if they can get to supercharge with 1:30 left in this match. They're going to do some more damage with that fuel there. As we switch back over to the Blue Alliance, they're going to leave with 150 points. Looking back over at the Blue Alliance, we've got Maris and Robo Knights both ready to shoot into their hub. They're able to bring it up to 50 points as their human players are also going to shoot from the outpost from the fuel that was loaded over to them. Maris are going to continue to try to shoot in their hubs to continue to try to close that gap to the Red Alliance, and they're going to run out of time. They're going to move back over to the Red Alliance, where Dalton and Walton are ready to score. They're going to line up. Not immediately shoot, but there we go. Now they're going to go ahead and unload that round of fuel into their hub, bringing them really close to that 200-point mark there. They're going to continue to shoot, and that's going to do it. That will bring them over to 200 points. We are now in the end game, final 30 seconds of the match. We got bots scoring on all sides. We got some people working on collecting fuel cells from the neutral zone, bringing them back over to shoot. All the bots are giving it everything they have got to try to score as many points as they can during this last section of the match. Just a few seconds left now, final shots. And that is going to be time's up. Alrighty, folks, we have got scores from that last match. Race car is going to drive away to tell us that the Red Alliance is going to win that match with a score of 254 to the Blue Alliance's 84. They're going to earn 4 ranking points for that match, 3 for winning it, and the extra for energizing their hub by scoring 100 fuel.